is our day 2 here in Nido. Nasa ano tayo ngayon? Talisay Beach. And this is our lunch. Tingnan niyo naman ang aming lunch. Aming lunch. Yan ang aming lunch. Yan ang lunch ng mga PG. Lunch ng DH. Toursy kami ngayon. Toursy kami. Yan ang aming mga kasamahan here. From Spain. Teka, saupin ko. Where are you from? Spain! Espanyol! Milliam S!
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
¿Cómo está usted?
Muy bien.
Muy bien, okay.
So nobody will eat that, huh? You will just look at it, huh? You will not eat.
Sir Igeng, they are from Spain. Chef. Toursy. This is our Toursy second day. Yan ang mga kasama namin dito sa island. Talisay. Here we are.
Bablog na naman si ma'am.
And ready to barbecue.
Hindi na tayo kakain ko ito.
How to be you daw. How to be you daw.
Magpirain muna daw kayo.
Decoration lang yan.
Oh, wala daw kakain. Decoration lang daw. Oh, diba?